In this tutorial we are going to learn how to add two columns. These columns should calculate these equations, just as we can introduce some equations in columns in Excel program. So let's start. Open File, Standard Places, Desktop, our folder, BIS folder, land cover inside watershed. Open it. Okay, new browser. We are going to add columns of coefficient. The first equation is the coefficient average equals the coefficient for each theme times the area of this theme over the area total of the land cover. And the second equation is that Q equal the coefficient average times I times the area total minus the area of the humid places. So we should add some fields in the table maintenance, table structure. Let's add field, let's name it coefficient, whose type is float. Add another field, Q, also type of float. Close, open. Let's see our new window. Okay, the two columns are well added. So now let's add the numerical coefficients for each theme. Let's select the code number 1 and add its coefficient. Let's say the code number 1 has a coefficient of 0.7, code number 2 0.3, code number 3 let's say 0.25, and 4 0.15. So first of all we're gonna select each code. Let's select the first code and add its coefficient, then select the second code and add its coefficient, and so on. We are going to select, so go to query, select. We are going to select from this layer, land cover inside watershed, the code number 1. Okay, it is well selected. Go to table, update column. We are updating the column of the code number 1, but we are not updating all the layer, but just the selected query 1. We are updating the code, and the code we are updating the coefficient column and giving it a value of 0.7. okay, 0.7 value is well added to the coefficient column of code 1. Let's repeat the same steps for the other codes. Let's save, and clear selection by clicking on the white window here. Query, select code number 2. Let's select the code number 2 from the land cover inside watershed. Okay, code number 2 well selected. Let's go to table, update column. We are updating the second query, not the first query, because the first query refers to the code number 1 and the second query refers to the selection of code number 2. Let's select the second query. We are updating the coefficient column and giving it a value of 0.3. okay, good job, easy step, and let's save. Now if we close all and we open the file, the list of query 1 and the query 2 would be removed. Let's try it, let's see it. Close all, reopen land cover inside watershed, and query, select code number 3. okay, we are selecting the code number 3, selected. Table, update column. If we Go and click on land cover inside watershed. We won't see query 1 and query 2. We will see just query 1 because we already removed the query 1 and query 2 by closing all the windows and reopening from the beginning. So select just query 1, which refers to the code number 3 which we selected. Then go to click on coefficient because we are updating the coefficient column to 0.25. Okay, save it, and let's see our new window of the overall land cover inside watershed. Okay, coefficients are added 0.7, 0.3, 0.25, and let's add the last coefficient. Clear selection. Let's close, open land cover to remove queries. Query for the selection. We are going to select what we are going to select. We are going to select the code 4. Code 4 well selected. Exit. Table update column. We are updating the selection query 1 code coefficient. No, we are updating the coefficient to 0.15. Okay, for example 0.15. Save. New browser window. Okay, coefficients are all added. So let's apply the equation to calculate coefficient average. Let's see the equations again. C average equal C times area over area total. Let's open land cover inside watershed. So let's name C average, let's name it percentage. So we will add another field, table maintenance, and name it percentage, which refer to C average or the percentage of C for each code. Percentage, which is also float. In fact, I'm gonna put the percentage to the left of Q, so I'm just gonna click on it and hold the click and drag it above Q, so the column will be made to the left of Q column. Okay, close and open. As I told you, the percentage column is introduced to the left of Q. Now go to to introduce these equations in the column, go to table update column. We are the table to update is the land cover inside watershed. We are updating the percentage column, and we should click on assist, delete the previous input. The equation is that the percentage equals the coefficient times the area of each theme over the total area. Okay, we are going to calculate the total area of the land cover, so let's calculate it before cancel. The total area is the total inside the watershed we introduced before. We can just click select all from land cover and object and make it editable, then object combine, but I can't do it. The calculation wouldn't be accurate now because we already deleted the humid regions. So we are just going to calculate this area from the watershed we made it before. Click on close, open, standard places, desktop, go to our folder, watershed, and this is the watershed. We will calculate the area inside the watershed. Table, sorry, go to window, new browser. The area is 3 million and 130,000, etc. This is the area, so double click on it and click Ctrl C. I will save it here. This column is just introduced by adding table structure. Let's do it again. Add field. Let's say name it area of land cover, land whose type is float. Okay. It couldn't be a space. Okay. Close and reopen it. Watershed 11. Query. Select all. Table. Update column. We can select the selection or watershed, no matter, it doesn't matter. Area of land, this is the column which we introduced. Assist function area, change the units to square meter. Okay. Here is the area calculated again. So we saved the area here. Let's go back to our previous discard all. I'm not going to save this column. Discard all. To our previous file, BIS land cover inside watershed. Okay. We were introducing the equation of percentage update column. The column to update is percentage column. Assisting the equation was the coefficient times area. Coefficient, this is the coefficient columns. Operator times the area column times area column. Okay. Over the number, but take care here that the number shouldn't include any commas, just dot when it is there's numbers after the dot. Copy, paste, Ctrl V paste, Ctrl C copy, verify. Okay, and click OK, and the percentages of each code is calculated. Let's save it. Save and reintroduce the formula of Q, which is the percentage calculated times I times the area total minus the area humid. The area total minus the area humid is the total area of this layer in front of you, because we already deleted the humid areas. So click on query, select all, combine object, combine. I did made this layer editable, and click object, combine, code blank, theme blank, area sum, because we need the summation of the area, I blank, coefficient blank, also percentage and q are blank, and the total area minus the humid area is here. Double click on it, Ctrl C, copy, let's save it here, just deleting commas. Okay, this is area total minus humid. Let's discard all changes and reopen the file. Okay, go to table, update column. We are updating the Q column assist. The equation is percentage times I, percentage times I, times the area total minus area humid. Copy, Ctrl C, times, Ctrl V. Okay, verify syntax is correct. Okay, okay, and here the Q calculated. Thank you for watching, and feel free to ask any question and comment. Don't forget to subscribe if you want.